Hello, this is video 2 of Lab 3, Organic Molecules. This video is going to be over part 2, Reducing Sugar Test. So what I did was I took some test tubes here and I filled them with the solutions that are found on page 29 of your lab book: water, glucose, milk, apple juice, starch, and sucrose. So I have my labeled test tubes here, water. What I did to each one was I added about 5 mils of Benedicts Reagent. Benedicts Reagent is blue. Let me hold it against the white paper. And I added it to the substrate as requested in your lab book. So this is Benedicts Reagent and water, Benedicts Reagent and glucose. There, I added it to milk. It's chocolate milk though. Apple juice, turned it green because the apple juice was kind of yellow. Starch, and last but not least, sucrose. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put it in a hot water bath over here. And I'm going to leave them in the hot water bath until they potentially change color. So what's going to happen is the ones that have a reducing sugar is a simple sugar, will change color. So let's look and see what color that milk is to start before we heat it up, okay? Okay, then we're going to heat it up. And what it should do is change color. The color that I'm looking for is a yellowish white color. In your lab book, it says it's an orange color. We have a different sort of Benedicts reagent. So this new Benedicts reagent should turn white. So I started this lab earlier, and so I have the results over here, and we'll look and see what we have. Here's the change for water. I'll get a white piece of paper and hold it up. There's water. There's glucose. There's milk. Milk started out darker, so I will call that a color change actually. So it started out darker. There's apple juice. So remember, apple juice started out as kind of a yellowish color, so if it turned white, so I would call that a positive. I'll help you out. There's starch. And there's sucrose. What I want you to do, this will help you with the test. What I want you to do is look up what each one of these things have in them. So what is glucose? Look it up. Look it up in your textbook. What is milk? What does milk have in it? Apple juice has fructose. Milk has lactose. And, lactose for sure. Starch is made up of a bunch of glucose molecules bonded together, and then we have sucrose. Sucrose is a glucose bonded to a fructose. So there you are. Have a good day.